An introduction to the quad range sound level meter. It is supplied with a battery and instructions for use. This instrument is ideal for environmental monitoring and health and safety applications to monitor sound levels. It has a 4mm camera bush for tripod mounting. It has a large high contrast LCD display with range and function indicators. It has a large digit readout and an analog bar graph at the bottom. It has a total measurement range from 40 decibels up to 130 decibels over 4 selectable ranges, each spanning 30 decibels. It has selectable A or C frequency weightings. It also features fast or slow response filters. Fast response has a sampling rate of once every 125 milliseconds, while slow response has a sampling rate of every 1 second. There is a maximum hold function. By selecting this, the instrument continually monitors and detects different sound levels, but will only display the highest monitored value. There is also a min-max function since power on or last reset. It has an automatic auto power off after 15 minutes of no activity. It also has a low battery indicator.